got in it and he moved me slightly. Make sure no one gets in that before it's saved. Mate, I reckon go down to the waterfront, come along and come up beside him.